In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your announcement bar in the Shopify Sense theme. This simple yet impactful task can enhance your store's communication, directing customer attention exactly where you want it. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, we'll begin by accessing your theme editor within Shopify. Navigate to your Shopify admin page, where you'll find the option for the online store. Here, click on Themes. In this section, all your available themes are displayed. Locate your specific Sense theme from the list. Once you've found it, you'll see an option on the right-hand side labeled Customize. Click on this to open up your theme customizer. Now that you're in the theme customizer, the next step is to open the header section. This is where the announcement bar resides in the Sense theme. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of sections. Scroll through until you find the one labeled Header. Click on it to expand its settings. Within this section, you'll have access to different options related to the header, including the announcement bar. Once you've opened the header section, you'll notice a specific area dedicated to the announcement bar. This is where the magic happens. You'll find several options that allow you to tailor the announcement bar to your preference. First, you'll see a toggle labeled Show Announcement. You can switch this on or off depending on whether you want the announcement to appear on your store. Next, look for the text field. This is where you can set the message you want to display to your visitors. Maybe you have a special promotion, important store update, or a simple welcome message. Type your desired message into this field. It's a great way to capture immediate visitor attention with something current and relevant. Furthermore, there's a link option available, allowing you to direct users to a specific page when they click the announcement bar. This is optional, but it's incredibly useful if you have a particular page you want to highlight, like a sale collection or a new blog post. Finally, to ensure the announcement bar aligns with your brand aesthetic, you have the option to customize its appearance. Still within the announcement bar settings, search for the Colors section, or if it isn't visible, you might find it under Theme Settings, then Colors. Here, you can adjust both the background and text color of the announcement bar. This personalization allows you to maintain a cohesive look that complements your overall brand design. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can successfully edit and customize your announcement bar in the Shopify Sense theme, ensuring it reflects your brand and serves its intended purpose. Follow these instructions and you'll have an eye-catching announcement bar up and running in no time. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.